Does adding coconut oil to rice reduce calories? Here is the answer. Yes, adding coconut oil to the rice and then refrigerating it can significantly reduce the calories absorbed by our body or your body. Here is the background research. A study presented at the American Chemical Society's national meeting in 2015 found that adding a teaspoon of coconut oil to the boiling water before cooking rice and then letting it cool in the refrigerator for 12 hours can lead to a 50-60% reduction in calories absorbed. Why it works? Rice contains digestible starch and resistant starch naturally, right? These two type of starch in rice we get. Digestible starch is broken down into sugar and absorbed quickly by the body, while resistant starch passes through the digestive system undigested. The cooling process in the refrigerator helps to convert digestible starch into resistant starch, which reduce the amount of calories absorbed by our body. Important points. This technique works best with white rice. The amount of coconut oil used should be small, around a teaspoon. Ensure the rice cools completely in the refrigerator for at least 12 hours. While this method can be helpful in reducing the calorie impact of rice, it is important to remember that coconut oil itself is high in calories, so adding it to your rice will increase the overall calorie content of the dish. Moderation is key. While this technique can be beneficial, it's not a magic bullet for weight loss.